Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn acid, base and salt. Dear students, in our daily life we come across a number of food items. These food items can be sorted on the basis of their taste. Some food items like orange, tamarind and curd taste sour. Some food items like baking soda, bitter gourd and neem leaves taste bitter, and other food items are sweet or salty. Food items that taste sour contain acid in them, and whereas those which taste bitter contain base in them. Not only food items but other household items like soaps, detergents, toilet cleaner, window cleaner and car batteries also contain acid or base in them. Characteristics of acids. Acid are sour in taste. However, don't taste any acid without consulting your elders. Acids are mostly soluble in water. Acids are corrosive in nature, like damage other substance, hence they should be handled very carefully. Conduct electricity in solution state and change the color of blue litmus paper to red. Classification of acids. Acid can be classified on the basis of source, strain and their aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means a solution in which the solvent is water. Based on sources, there are two types of acids, organic acid and inorganic acid. Acids that are obtained from a living beings like animal and plant are called organic acid. Examples are citric acid, formic acid and tartaric acid. On other hand, the acids that are generally not obtained naturally but prepared in chemical laboratories are known as inorganic acids. Example of inorganic acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Some of the commonly found organic acid and their sources are vinegar contain acetic acid, orange contain citric acid, apple malic acid, amla ascorbic acid, grapes tartaric acid, spinach contain oxalic acid and curd contain lactic acid. Strong acid and weak acids. Acids can be classified as strong and weak acid on the basis of their effect on other substance. Strong acids are highly corrosive, like damage other substance by chemical reactions. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Weak acids are not so corrosive and do not cause such damage to other substance. Organic acids such as lactic acid and acetic acid, mostly weak acid. Concentrate acid and dilute acid. Acid can be classified as concentrate and dilute acid based on the amount of water present in the acid solution. Concentrate acid contain less amount of water in the acid solution, whereas dilute acid contain large amount of water in the acid solution. A concentrate acid can be converted into a dilute acid by increasing the amount of water in it. This process is known as dilution, and dilute acid cannot convert in concentrate acid. Uses of acids. First we will discuss uses of organic acid. Citric acid is added in candies in the form of fruit salts. Tartaric acid is added to add tartness to the food items. Malic acid is used in cosmetic and to preserve fruit and vegetables. Lactic acid is used in the dairy industries in making yogurt and cheese. Uses of inorganic acids. First, hydrochloric acid is used in chemical industries to prepare other chemicals. Sulfuric acid is used in the preparation of fertilizer and detergent. Nitric acid is used to make fertilizer and explosives. Now we will discuss about base. Just as acids are associated with sour taste, bases are associated with bitter taste. The bitter chemical often found in kitchen and laundries like baking soda, washing soda and soaps contain base. Base have a soapy, slippery feel on the skin. Characteristics of base. Base are bitter in taste. Base feel soapy on touch. Some base are soluble in water. Base soluble ones conduct electricity in solution. Change the color of red litmus paper to blue. Classification of base. Like acid, base can also be classified on the basis of source, strain and their aqueous solution. Based on source, organic acid and inorganic acid. Like acid, base can have an organic or inorganic source. For example, nicotine in tobacco and caffeine in coffee are some organic base, while caustic potash and milk of magnesia are some example of inorganic base. Based on strain, base can classified in strong and weak base. Just like strong and weak acid, base are also classified as strong and weak base based on their effect on other substance. Some example of strong base are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Some example of weak base are ammonium hydroxide, copper hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide. Concentrate and dilute base. Base can also classified as concentrate and dilute base based on the amount of water present in the solution of base. Uses of base. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and is corrosive in nature. It is known as caustic soda. It is majorly used in the paper, textile, leather industries and for manufacturing soaps and detergents. Calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide is a strong base. It is used to purify water and in agriculture. It helps to reduce the acidity of soil. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. Magnesium hydroxide called milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a weak base. It is used as an antacid to relieve stomachache due to acidity. It is also used as a flame retardant in plastic industries. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. It has a characteristic pungent smell. It is used as a sanitizer and window cleaner in houses and industrial cleaning agent. It is used in making fertilizers and dyes. Salt. Salt are formed when acid and base are mixed together. As acid and base are chemical opposite of each other that neutralize each other's effect when mixed together. A chemical change takes place on mixing two. Salt and water are formed and heat is produced during this change. This type of chemical change is called neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction can be represented as acid plus base will give salt, water and heat. Types of salts. Salt can be acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the strain of the corresponding acids and base from which the salt are formed. Let's see first acidic salt. Salts formed by the neutralization reaction between strong acid and weak base are acidic. For example, ammonium chloride, magnesium chloride and copper sulfate. Basic salts. Salt formed by the neutralization reaction between weak acid and strong base are basic. For example, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Neutral salt. Salt formed by the neutralization reaction between strong acid and strong base are neutral. For example, sodium chloride is a neutral salt formed by the reaction between hydrochloric acid, a strong acid, and sodium hydroxide, a strong base. Other example, sodium sulfate and potassium nitrate. Uses of some salt. Sodium chloride, common salt. It is essential for a healthy body. Therefore, it is used in food in moderate amount. Potassium aluminum sulfate, alum. It is used in water purification plant. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. It is used while making breads and cakes to bring fluffiness in them.